Hi everyone, this video is for our custodial staff. Businesses are beginning to reopen and a lot of our clients are reaching out for us to come back and increase our regular services. They're looking to us as the experts to ensure their place of work is safe and clean, especially from the coronavirus. Picture Perfect Cleaning is incredibly fortunate to have who we believe is one of the best health and safety managers in the city of Calgary. Lindsay Kyriakos has many years of experience in the health and safety world and joined our team a few years ago as a consultant to help us take health and safety practices to another level. Her role with us has never been more important. Picture Perfect Cleaning, with the help of Lindsay, has instituted a communicable disease and illness control policy to create guidelines for communicable diseases and illness control. The guidelines are designed to protect both clients and our employees from contracting communicable diseases and illnesses. This policy must be used in conjunction with all applicable health and safety regulations and government legislation, including the Alberta Public Health Act and the communicable disease regulations. As you can see behind me, we have been working incredibly hard behind the scenes to ensure we have enough disinfectant, chemical, masks, and gloves for all of our locations and all of our custodians. If you don't have any of these, please reach out to one of your operation managers on our team, and they will ensure that you have a sufficient amount of disinfectant, which we're using lemon odor, masks, and gloves. You should be wearing masks and gloves at every clean. Wearing gloves and masks creates a physical barrier that protects your own tissue from exposure to infectious material and from transmission resulting from contact with clients. Your hands should be cleaned very well prior to putting on the gloves and masks. Make sure when you're putting on the mask that the metal clip you'll feel at the top is at the top, so you can put it on your nose like that. That way it doesn't slip from time to time. And the gloves, if they break at all, be sure to replace them immediately. When removing the gloves, take one of the gloves, fold it into itself, and then fold the other glove into the other glove just like this, and then discard them. They should be discarded immediately after cleaning. If you are feeling any symptoms of illness, you should notify us immediately and stop going to work your client sites immediately. It is very important that you understand how to properly use the lemon odor disinfectant chemical. Otherwise, it won't be as effective as it should be. This video will be covering the proper way to disinfect. Picture Perfect Cleaning has an amazing electrostatics victory sprayer tool that we are offering to our clients. We use a plant-based botanical chemical, which is one of the very few botanical-based chemicals approved by the Government of Canada to disinfect the coronavirus. With the spray gun, it gives an electrostatic magnetic charge so that it envelopes whatever you spray. For example, if you spray half an apple, it will continue to wrap around the apple because of the magnetic charge. This way it ensures all surfaces are covered and disinfected. We are offering this service as an add-on to our regular cleaning and disinfecting. So not all clients will receive this service unless they request it. For this video, I won't be talking about the sprayer, but focusing on how to properly disinfect by hand when we are on site each and every day. Just like the nurses, the doctors, grocery store workers, truck drivers, us custodians are truly the superheroes out there. It's important we use our passion, expertise, and experience to properly really make a difference during these challenging times and as businesses reopen. I know our operations managers have already been speaking to you about this, but I want to make this video as well, so no points are missed. First, you must make sure you use the proper dilution of lemon odor disinfectant in your spray bottles. Our operations team are pre-measuring and preparing all the spray bottles for you right now. But in case you need to refill them, you should only use half an ounce of the lemon odor and the rest is water. If the water looks yellow, you're using too much chemical. You might think more chemical is better, but that's not true at all. All that will happen is that more chemical that you put in there, now the surfaces will just get sticky when they're dry. With only half an ounce in our bottles, you should see only a very slight change in color in the water, and that's the perfect amount. Next, it is important that surfaces are cleaned first with a detergent or a peroxide chemical, like Clean by Proxy, which is what we use, to break down the soil load. After that, begin using the disinfectant. We must really focus on all touch points. These include door handles, telephones, light switches, desk surfaces, sink handles, and more. When we spray these areas, the lemon odor disinfectant must sit on these surfaces wet for at least 10 minutes before being dried and wiped. I recommend, depending on your site, that the first thing you do is spray these touch points. It's incredibly important that these areas don't get wiped or dry before 10 minutes. This means you will have to spray enough of the lemon odor to ensure it stays wet for the 10 minutes. The more moisture, the better. Once you come back to wipe these areas, make sure to fold your microfiber cloth and only use one side. Don't have it balled all up. This way you only have one edge that you're using. Always work left to right, top to bottom first, then left to right in one direction, so that you're always pushing the soil in one way and not pushing it forward and back and around. Doing this properly will really keep our clients' workspaces clean and safe. Thank you so much to all of you for being such awesome superheroes and doing things right. Wishing you and all your families much safety and good health. Thanks, guys.